Do log. Dono के पास ChatGPT. Both have internet. One has earned 5,000 rupees. Second 500,000 rupees. Today I will tell you the exact reason. Wait. Listen this first. Today I will not give you any theory. No motivation. Just an honest breakdown. What actually works. What doesn't. And exactly how you can get started. The difference is not the tool. It is the system built around the tool. A question must have come to your mind this morning. If this is possible, then why am I not doing it? I am talking hoon. The problem is not that you don't have skills. The problem is that you did not get the exact system. High earners use AI to build assets. Low earners use AI to do tasks. Do you understand? Those people who are earning 5 rupees, 0,000 per month, they are not smarter than you. They are just using a different system. This is the main system which I am going to explain in detail. Step 1. Choose the right tool. The biggest mistake that people make is to use ChatGPT like Google. Ask one question. Get one answer. Close. This doesn't help. The right way. Treat AI like a project partner. Context do. Background do. Goals do. Come again. 500 rupees per article vs 50,000 rupees per month retainer. Same skill. Different positioning. Now see the difference. One band is doing work worth 500 rupees with AI. The second group is building a complete system with AI which itself generates 50,000 rupees. If that band can earn 5 lakh rupees, then why not me? Exact same tools, just different approach. Step 2. How to get the first client. The biggest problem is this. Where will the client come from? This is the main community here. I also faced him. But this is true. Your first client will be your friend, relative, or local business. There is no perfect client. First client. Tonight with LinkedIn Kholo. Find 10 local businesses. Send them a simple message. I can make your work faster and cheaper using main AI tools. Give a free demo. 2 logs will respond within 10 minutes. 1 paid client will be made in 2 months. 5 retainer clients at 15,000 rupees per month equals 75,000 rupees. Stable, predictable, real. This is proof. These numbers are real. Step 3. Build the system. Just do the work from here. People go to Galat. They work for a client. Then another client. Then again. And he is busy. But not rich. Formula to become rich. Build a system for one client. Then use the same system for another client. Then for the third one. Time investment once. Income repeatedly. That's what I am doing here. This is what you have to do. Do your first step now. Do this one thing in the next 60 minutes. N8N.io Kholo. Create free account. Watch his beginner tutorial. Base. This is the first step. In the next 30 days, if you work seriously, you can make your first 10,000 rupees. If that band can earn 5 lakh rupees, then why not me? Exact same tools, just different approach. If this video was helpful, like it now. Subscribe. I give such content every day which is actually useful. Comment में लिखो, मैं शुरू करता हूँ, and I will personally reply. In the next video I will share the exact main Claude AI prompts which attract clients paying 500,000 rupees per month. Subscribe so you don't miss it.